Hey, Ben Johnson here. Today we're going to talk about our vending suite of solutions that we call FASTVend. Fastenal is the largest service provider of industrial vending machines in the world. We service and own over 100,000 vending machines throughout North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and South America. The way we go to market is we invest working capital and technology into our customers' business, and all we ask in return is that they purchase those products through us. So we take on the capital equipment expense of the vending machines, the ordering, the restocking, the maintenance, and the optimization. We do this through what we call our team behind the machine. This is our network of branch-based employees who do most of the work, but they're also supported by a local vending expert and a regional service center who custom builds and installs each machine. So let's move on to our first device, which is our coil machine. Coil machines are the workhorse of our lineup. They're the most popular because they're very simple to use, they're very reliable, and they're very secure on your network. They're really good at managing products like gloves, safety glasses, tools, cutting tools, abrasives, tapes, adhesives, batteries, really your general MRO type items. Access into this device is through a badge reader, which can be a proximity card reader or a barcode reader or a mag stripe reader, or really any badge that you're using for security access into your building. We tie employees to a cost center or a department code for tracking purposes, which also allows us to determine who's got permissions to vend what products. So I may have limitations on one product line, or I may be restricted altogether. You can also add additional fields of data by asking questions like, where is this product going, such as a job code, a GL code, or a project number. The next device we'll talk about is a locker. So lockers work in conjunction with the coil machines, utilizing the same keypad. There are three core functionalities of the locker, the first being vending larger consumables like you see up top. The second is managing what we call a locker pickup program. So if you purchase a spot buy from Fastenal, we'll deliver that product into the locker position, which will generate a locker pickup code to the purchaser so you can safely, securely pick up your order. And then lastly, we offer an asset management program. So these are customer-owned assets that need to be returned. So an employee checks out an asset, and then when they're done with it at the end of the day, they check it back in, which really provides traceability and accountability to who has what asset. Lockers come in anywhere from 2 doors up to 36 doors. The last family of devices we'll touch on are our sensor devices. Sensor devices are really built more around product flexibility, quick transaction times, whereas a coil machine is really more about the element of control. So for example, to access one of these machines, this is a 7-drawer scale machine. So I'm just going to badge into this device. I'm going to select which drawer I want to open. And then each one of these compartments is managed by a scale. So as I take product, it's going to pick up the transaction of what I took, tie it to my ID or my department or my cost center. I'm going to shut that drawer and I'll be able to walk away very quickly. The other sensor devices we have in our lineup are the single door unit and the combo unit. So these have a combination of either scales or pusher modules. So pusher modules work great for things like disposable gloves, aerosols, anything that's in a box that fits onto this track, which has a spring-loaded paddle right behind it. So when I take a box out, it pushes the next one forward and records that as a transaction. The last sensor device is our sensor locker. Sensor lockers are just like the regular locker, but these only vend consumables. And they have a scale in there which is going to speed up that transaction time and also give a more accurate reading on the quantity taken. And finally, if you want a device that can help you locate products within your facility that Fastenal manages, we have what's called a product locator. So this is a touchscreen device that allows you search by location or search by product. So this can work in either online mode or offline mode. You can search for products either by keywords, part numbers, cross-references, or there's a touch screen that allows you to drill into categories to locate parts and their location. All of our devices are web-based, so all of this data and reporting are available to you at any time at your fingertips. So if you want to control and track parts, or manage assets, or take advantage of automated replenishment, vending may be the right solution for you. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your local Fastenal branch.